Okay, hello friends. Welcome back again to our video this morning on Chima video channel. Now I want to share with you this site is a free site. Please, I have to make emphasis on this so that you don't think I'm going to pay money again. No, that's a system. All you need to do is simple task and the system pays you. They may not pay you billions of naira. They may not pay so much, but at least since it's free, you can try it. So you can see already what you see. I want to quickly show you a few tasks you're expected to do. So it's something you can just do, withdraw the little from there and move on. You understand? So when you sign up, if you get the link now from the description part of this video, just read the prompt and put everything you need to put. The system will request for your bank details, whatever. Just you do all of those things. And then once you've done that, you are going to have this task. The majority of the tasks that's always in this system, I want to show you. You have ads. The one you are going to watch ads, you understand? You watch ads, then you are going to check this one. They say check today's weather. When you are doing all of this, it's for some few minutes. Read health and well-being tips, read daily motivational guide, discover a fun fact. So once you've done all of these things correctly, the system is going to credit you. And meanwhile, there's a welcome bonus too, and all of that. So once you are credited and you are going to see your account, but I want to tell you the gospel truth which I discovered. Now, apart from that, make sure you set up your wallet and your bank details and all that. Put it. It's very, very important. Now you can see just withdraw this one, just withdraw 5,000 naira. The system is people are withdrawing. But there's something you need to do because you will be wondering, is it just watching ads and I'm watching all of these things? The system, since it's free, whenever you have a free opportunity like this, either they want you to help them grow their YouTube channel or grow their Facebook page and all that. And it's not bad. Someone just gives you this things free, but you want you to help in, doing one thing or the other that's not still cash based for him. So they want you to bring in more people into the system. And because each of people that bring into the system will still help them to maybe either going to subscribe, follow their channel on WhatsApp or follow their group on Facebook. And so they are growing those groups. And now what they do is that for you to finally withdraw your money, you are going to, get some referrals. Yes, you make all this money, but you're going to, I'm being very open to you. I'm not going to just tell you, join, you'll earn money, you withdraw. No, I'm going to tell you the gospel truth. So once you have all of this, you get your friends. It's a free thing. Tell your friends this is free. And when they join, you now withdraw your money. You can see withdrawals going on. So that's exactly how it was. So I'm going to you. Just sign up. Don't be that list to say, no, I'm not going to do this. It doesn't take anything to ask a friend. There's a free soft. Sign up. There are millions and millions of people in the world. You can do that. You understand? Just do that. Sign up and get your work done, your tasks done, earn this money, and then sign up your friends. And then make withdrawal. Very simple. For that, it's okay. You move on. And that's how the system works. Please, if you are new to our channel, we encourage you to subscribe. Go keep on bringing updates like this. Share this video. Use our link. And if you want to chat me up privately for more questions and more opportunities, you're going to see my WhatsApp number in this video description section. I wish you stop at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.